So here's how you do it. You take the tomatillos and you take the husks off, and then you just throw them in the skillet. You don't have to do anything to them. Just take the husks off, throw them in the skillet. Boom. You can even have your kids do this. So then take 3 cloves of garlic. Do not peel them. Just take 3 cloves of garlic. Boom, boom, boom. Throw them right in the skillet. Then you're gonna take an onion, a small onion, and then cut it in half and throw the onion in. Take a jalapeno, cut it in half, and take the seeds out. In a jalapeno, the seeds is where the heat really is. So I like to take the seeds out so that my guests don't like set their mouths on fire. A little bit of oil, salt and pepper, and you're done. All right, I'm taking it to the grill. The grill is acting as my oven today because I don't want to turn on the oven inside. It's too hot. While it's cooking, I'm just juicing up a couple of limes and throwing it in the blender to give the salsa that acidic pop that salsa really needs. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. All right, we're ready. We're going to put them into the blender. Find those 3, here they are, the 3 garlic cloves. Take the peel off. All right, now the important thing when you're blending this salsa is not to over blend it. Do it on low, do it only until it's blended because the seeds and the tomatillos, if they get crushed too much, will turn to jelly. When you make the salsa in the oven, it turns bright green, but when you make it in the grill, it turns this delicious, toasty, dark green color, and it takes on a grilled flavor that only cooking outside can give it. Tomatillo salsa on the grill. Taste of summer. Mmm.